Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can duplicate a column in Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to your web browser and open app.smartsheet.com and then log in on your Smartsheet account. Once inside the main dashboard, we're going to set our focus on the left panel right here. And to do our task, we can either select an existing file by clicking on Browse and clicking on an existing workspace that we've already been working on, like this, or we can create a new file by clicking here on this button right here on the left panel again, and then scroll down and click on Grid right here. For this video, I am going to choose a new workspace. So click here. After that, we can see that this is our workspace. We have a lot of columns on it. Now, let's input some data on our columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, how can we duplicate or copy this to another column? Simply select all the cells by clicking on the first cell and dragging to the last cell which you want to duplicate. And then click on Ctrl C. You should see a broken line around the cells that you've selected, and then click on the cell where you want to copy this. So let's say I want to copy it from here. I'm going to click on Ctrl V, and as simple as that, I've duplicated the contents of this cell into these cells. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!